Good afternoon everyone, it's Anna from Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4 bringing you some absolutely beautiful new stock this week, starting off with our stunning 2020 super ultra low mileage BMW Z4. This is the 2 litre M-Sport Cab with 200 brake horsepower, so it's the perfect spec. It's finished in San Francisco red. It has full BMW service history, full and complete, and it's been absolutely cherished and well looked after. I really love this colour. Perfect for spring and summer. You can get the reef down, but it's also perfect for winter as well actually, because it's got heated seats and a heated steering wheel, which I personally couldn't live without, and it makes this car an all year rounder. So even though you may think this looks like a summer car, it's actually perfect for this freezing cold weather we have at the minute too. Super nice spec. It is finished in, as I said, the San Francisco red, which I haven't seen that many of actually, and them lovely silver wheels. M-Sport badges there. You've also got a wind deflector on this one. Full black leather seats. It's been really cherished and looked after. Being the 2 litre as well, it's better on fuel, and I think it's the right amount of power and fuel economy. Let me show you inside. It's got folding electric mirrors, 2 keys of course. The interior is in absolutely amazing condition, and like I said, super low mileage. Previous owner was an older gentleman, literally just didn't use the car. We bought it off him as a private sale, as he just wasn't using the car. Oh, my phone zoomed in. You can see here you've got the heated steering wheel, again perfect for this weather. You've also got ambient lighting, so all this purple lighting, you can change the colours to suit your preference, but I always go for purple. Interior again is in really beautiful condition, all like unscratched and everything. It's been really well looked after. It doesn't feel like a 4 or 5 year old car. It feels like, you know, it could be 1 year old. So you can see there the mileage. It's under 15k, just under 14,500. And this car is just one of my favourites. Every time we get a BMW Z4 in, I love to drive them because they're such fun to drive. They look so nice as well. And I've actually never had one in a red in stock, so it's nice to have a bit of a change. It's got Apple CarPlay, of course. Heated seats, again, essential for winter. Your heated steering wheel button. Again, a lot of these Z4s that are online at the minute don't have this sort of spec. And personally, this is a game changer for me, as I want to be able to enjoy this car in winter as well as in summer, with the roof down, which is really important. All your apps there, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Let me show you what else. You've got your sat nav. Everything is standard, obviously. Radio, Bluetooth connectivity. All your climate control settings. You've got some wireless charging capabilities here, as well as USB-C points and plugs. You've got your reverse sensors, front and rear sensors that is, sorry. This button here, you can change your intelligent safety settings. If I get that off, 1 sec. So you can configure your safety settings as well. You've got cruise control. Yeah, so overall it is a fantastic spec in a lovely colour. Let me put the roof up actually. The roof is super smooth and easy going up. Very quick as well, which is always handy. I'll show you it with the roof on. It's got a black roof. There's the roof. So again, this car is perfect all year round, and it looks the part. Our BMW Z4s, we always buy them with great spec. So this one hopefully shouldn't be around for too long. We do have excellent rates of finance on at the minute. If you would like a PCP or a HP quote on this car, we'd be more than happy to help. You can give us an email info@kingsbridgeautos.co.uk, or go onto our website and simply click the WhatsApp button, and one of our sales team will be more than happy to help you. But yeah, here's our stunning BMW Z4 that's new into stock here at Kingsbridge, and check out our YouTube channel for updates almost every day on new stock we've got in. We always buy fabulous spec, brilliant colour combination cars that have been cherished and well looked after. So yeah, if you do like this car, give us a like, give us a follow on Instagram and YouTube, and if you're interested in buying it, please do get in touch.